So hello guys, today I'll be continuing the general science. So this topic will be focused on general science, which will be very helpful for the exams for NSSB and NPSC mains and prelims also. So let's get the video started. Question number 98. Meibomian glands is located in. So meibomian glands to if this is the eye, so the meibomian gland is located in near the eye, so the answer will be eyes. Next, the latex of which plant is used commercially. So latex means plant la juice to, that means gas powder la pani do resin do it could use kore. So we know that rubber is used, and we know that Kerala is the largest producer of rubber in India, and rubber board is located at Kottayam in Kerala. So next, who invented the dynamo? So dynamo to kun by invent to dynamo was invented by Michael Faraday in 1830s. And what is dynamo actually? Dynamo no ke to it converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Basically it is a generator. Next, which of the following is a good source of vitamin A? So vitamin A though, first of all tela chemical name is equal to retinol, and the source of vitamin A is fish oil, so the answer is fish oil. Next, limestone is a material used in which of the following industry? So limestone do tela chemical formula to ke equal to CaCO3 limestone, and tai cement de use kore. Which of the following is the highest quality of hard coal? So coal quality to charda, that is anthracite, bituminous, lignite or peat. Anthracite to 90% carbon aje, bituminous to around 70% carbon aje, lignite to 60% to 50% carbon aje, or peat to less than 40%. Basically सबसे कम दी तो peat aje, so the answer is anthracite. Or the more the percentage of carbon, the better the fuel quality is, so the answer is anthracite. Which of the following is an emergency hormone? Emergency hormone mane tension bui lagidamde idu hormone to secret kore, so it will be adrenaline. Adrenaline is released by the adrenal medulla, and mon kita bui khai itu tumde adrenaline to release kore. Similarly trioxin to ke jukle to trioxin is secreted by the thyroid gland, and it plays an important role in digestive and heart system. It was a insulin to pancreas pa secrete kore, and it is used to regulate sugar or glucose level in the body. Insulin bishi jukle to it causes diabetes. Progesterone though it is released in the corpus luteum, and basically ovary means female reproductive organ, and it plays an important role in menstrual cycle, means maikigan period takala tamde idu progesterone though it plays an important role in maintaining the menstrual cycle. Next, which of the following term is not associated with sound wave? Sound wave though key by associated hertz though it is a unit of sound, decibel though it is the magnitude of the sound, mach though the speed of sound, and candela. So candela is not associated with sound wave. Candela means it is the SI unit of luminous intensity, means ekta saman ekta tai shine grase to tai kiman bishi shine grase to candela ba measure kore. Who among the following invented laser? So laser was invented by Theodore Maiman in the 1960s, and laser is used in various applications like cutting, drilling of metals, etc. The color of liquefied oxygen is, so liquefied oxygen it is pale blue in color. Next, phenol is used in the manufacture of which of the following? The phenol though it is used manufacture of bakelite. Bakelite is a thermosetting plastic that constitute the core of the earth. So earth layer is the first to crust. The outer layer of the earth is also known as a crust. It is the mantle arrow next the core arrow. So crust the maximum metal to ki it will be Cl, that is silicon and aluminum. Similarly mantle to ki mantle the Cma, that is silicon magnesium. Aro core the सबसे भीतर की iron aro nickel, that is nickel or iron, Fe. So it will be iron and nickel. Name the heaviest metal found in the earth. So heaviest metal found in the earth is osmium, which has the highest density. The gas which smells like rotten egg is, to kundus gas is it anda pota nishna gundai, so it will be hydrogen sulfide. Next, which among the following is the best conductor of electricity? So many of the aspirants think that it is copper because we use copper wire, but the most best conductor of electricity is not copper but it is silver. Silver is the best conductor of electricity, followed by copper. So silver is denoted by Ag, it is the copper it is the gold level, it is the aluminum it is the zinc. So don't get confused, silver is the best conductor of electricity. But why silver is not used in electrical equipments? Because firstly it is very costly, and second of all the production will be very less, so we use copper instead of silver. Which of the following cell disorder is responsible for color blindness? So color blindness means which you cannot, is a disorder which you cannot distinguish color of the item. So it is related to cone cell disorder ba color blindness way. When sodium bicarbonate is heated strongly, which of the following is produced? Sodium bicarbonate though baking soda it is also called as NaHCO3, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. It heat kurishugule sodium carbonate form over, carbon dioxide form over, or water form over. So it will be sodium carbonate. Which of the following organ is not a part of the immune system? So immune system though part it is not a part of the brain. Air has maximum proportion of which inert gas? First of all, inert gas to it is a gas which does not react easily with other elements, for example helium, argon, neon, xenon, krypton. So these are all inert gases, and which is the answer? It is argon. Next, which of the following disease is caused by the deficiency of protein? So protein deficiency baki form, so it will be Kawasaki is the swelling of the stomach and thinning of the bones of legs, a thinning of legs and hands. And it is usually seen in poor developing countries such as Africa and parts of Central America and in India also, etc. Goiter do iodine nathaka karone goiter do kola phuli jala disorder ke koi. Night blindness is the deficiency of vitamin A. Vitamin A is also known as retinol. Next, farad. Farad is the unit of capacitance. Capacitance. What is capacitance? Capacitor comes from the word capacitance. It is used to store electric current. You must have noticed that in the fan, in ceiling fan, if this is the fan, you must have noticed a small cylindrical object. So this is the capacitor to store the electric current. Similarly, reactance la SI unit reactance will be ohm, ohm. The symbol is this one. Similarly, electrical conductance unit is Siemens and electrical charge is Coulomb. So these are all the units of the given options. Next, which of the following chemicals is used in the beauty parlor for hair setting? So Julila gel de it was sulfur. Which of the following disease is not transmitted from one person to another? Kundo disease which is not transmitted from one person to another. AIDS is transmitted by HIV virus. Similarly, cirrhosis hepatitis B is spread by hepatitis virus. Similarly, syphilis is a sexually transmitted disease that is spread by bacteria. Remaining is cirrhosis, which is the scarring of liver the problem. So it is cirrhosis. Next, which of the following helps to diagnose heart problem? Heart la beat to keep a measure. It will be ECG, that is electrocardiogram. Similarly, alak options are BCG. BCG is is medicine for TB, and BCG stands for Bacillus calmette guerin. Chocolate is very bad for health because of high content of chocolate. First of all, it is very sweet. Second of all, it contains nickel. And since dogs are very toxic to nickel, it is advisable that you do not give chocolate to dogs. So kutakange chocolate diulele. Which of the following disease is caused by dog bite? So we know that it is caused by rabies virus, and rabies causes a disease causes a phobia also known as hydrophobia. Hydrophobia means fear of water, and rabies, unless you take injection, has no cure. Next, the richest source of vitamin B. So vitamin B richest source is cereals like whole grains, etc. And the vitamin B has many forms, such as B1 is thiamine, B2 is riboflavin, vitamin B3 is niacin, and vitamin B5 is pentatonic acid. So BC so the answer is cereals. Next, which of the following determines the sex of a child? So the sex of a child is determined by the chromosomes. Additional information is that humans have 23 pairs of chromosome. 23 pairs of chromosome mane chromosome to 46 theko. into 2 gurele to 46 hola. So itu 46 de 44 do normal chromosome aro duita do sex chromosome ase. Sex chromosome in the sense like itu ba um, sex of a human is determined by this sex chromosome. So additional information is that girls, a mother and a father, both have sex chromosome. The mother will have only X chromosome. However, the husband will have two chromosomes, that is X and Y chromosome. If X and Y chromosome the mili jasigule to female ho, or if X and X to female ho, or if X and Y sigule to it will be a male. So the sex of a child wholly depends on the husband, not the wife. What is the hardest substance in the human body? So hardest substance though it is tooth enamel monadate, and it contains calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate. Next, which of the following is not a multi-seeded fruit? So kuntu fruit as a seed ekta dege. So it will be lychee. What an ophthalmologist is? Ophthalmologist to taiki saizo suku eyes. Aviation fuel for jet aeroplanes consists of purified. So aeroplanes de ki fuel jolai. So it is purified kerosene, which is colorless. We do not use petrol or diesel, but we use kerosene. The waves used in sonography. Sonography is the use of ultrasonic waves, not sound waves. So the answer is ultrasonic waves. Which of the following is responsible for hemoglobin formation? So hemoglobin formation do iron as a, and hemoglobin is responsible for transportation of oxygen from the cell to the different parts of the body. Next, the last question for today is the study of origin and evolution of the universe is called. So universe originate korala aro tagi study korala to ituke cosmology koi. So with this the video on general science has completed. I'll be stopping with this video on general science, and in the next video I'll be covering public administration and also on statistics portion for NPSC mains, which has been requested by many aspirants. So with this the video has come to an end. I hope you all like the video. Thank you all for watching and have a great time.